And I am totally obsessed with Jessica, guys. If you don't know, she's one of my favorite YouTubers, and she's like, guys, I'm a events planner. She's getting married, obviously content galore. So I am just doing laundry, and then I will get my day started, take you along, you know, see what a laid-back day looks like. Okay, no, not laid-back, actually I have some things that I need to I have a client who's inquiring for me to do this. She's a return client, so I know she's pretty serious. She wants to do this, but I don't want to underestimate, especially with the flowers. You see, that's a lot of florals. Now I do understand that there is a trick to get them to look like they're standing up and, you know, like give that bowl oval fat feel, but I don't want to underprice those. So just texted Gary, and I just want to ask him, and I already asked him, but how much am I looking at, and can he actually give me a quantity on the flowers using roses and the basic flowers that we have.
Morning, Luando. Let me quickly have a look at this pic. Just give me a few minutes. I'm just going to do a quick estimate. I'm going to tell you exactly. All right, just give me a minute. 25 and 30 bunches of 20 stem roses. That's about what she guesses that to be. So it's between 25 and 30 bunches, and those bunches consist of 20 stems per bunch.
Thank you, Gary. A client who wants to do set up just a wedding, but I'm only doing the top of the tables. The venue's providing everything else, so I'm just gonna send her estimate and then carry on with more texts. Go and check my TikTok. He's on TikTok. Okay. So this is what usually my TikTok looks like in the mornings. 90, I'm not sure what that is. Let's quickly check. So that is 71 people who reacted, commented, and I've got 19 new followers. So I have to click on it just to remove the notification. And then let's check here. Okay. Alright, let's quickly go for comments. Okay, people usually comment around the same, you know, the same videos, but like recent videos, not like the same videos. Okay, so I need to reply to all these people. Really Zulu. Okay, cool. I just need to upload now a video for TikTok. Can you see, guys, I'm on 20.4. I am continuously growing since we posted that. Looking for a video. So this event, right, I did the boy and the girl version. I'm gonna shoot, I already shot it on the day, like behind the scenes Tapa review video. It was a mess, but I shot it. I'll probably do a sit down and talk through it in the week before I share this out. So I want to post this. Isn't that, like, I don't want to put any word or text on this. I'm just going to find now. Oh, how's that? Kids luxury parties. Oh my god, guys, can you see our stationery? Okay, let me quickly type this up and continue with the rest of my work. I'm finishing up breakfast. I'm about to go out. But I listen to me well. Whenever I go out for lunch, for brunch, especially in this economy now, I always make sure I eat something endlini, because then restaurant food, guys, is so expensive, and by the time you leave the restaurant or you get home, you are hungry again. So because I have to make breakfast obviously for my man, I've made myself a small sandwich. So I will have this and he will have that. I'm also shooting a day in my life for TikTok, and it's a lot.
Yeah.
I'm even scared to sit. I'm also gonna do groceries on the way back, and then I need to buy A1 paper. I want to practice doing a bigger chip bag, like an A4, like a full A4, not the one that's cut inside the A4. I'm so disappointed. It's one of the ladies I'm meeting. I had cake stands from. The other one I had wild animals from. And this is the state that I found the truck in. I am boiling mad. I don't mind that being dirty. That's not the problem. It was meant to be dirty. It is the state of how they packed. I had to climb all over this. Sorry, these things here, to try to get to a corner there to get what I wanted. But like, yo, ngaluyeka. How exciting. Oh my god, have I got drama to tell you guys. I just want to stop and record. Say you've got a story for yourself. Just arrived at Tasha's. It looks so packed. As I was saying in the car, I have a story for you guys, but I'll tell you nicely. God, there's so many people here. I'm kind of giving those vibes. You know those vibes is the Tiba. That social anxiety of vlogging in public, it's a real thing. Now, Lapo, you want that money that's gonna stay back. Now, that's my thing. Exactly. Because you would. I do. Oh, this is your first event. Hi. Wayne Joburg. So the one the pink one, if I remember, you took the butterfly. Goes back side. Okay. Even if it can just be designing my own things. Then why don't you come to class? How much is the class money? Why? It's just 3.4. Send me the info. I will WhatsApp you. It's just 3.4. Because you know, sometimes I feel like when I share a vision of someone, they don't really get what I'm doing. What you want, yeah? Such a nice meetup. It's gonna take us. Pinky pong. Hey. Everybody's upside down. Upside down. I think the picture would be nice if you were standing that side. For sure, thank you. Okay, wait.
Trust my land.
Oh my goodness. She's the epitome of laziness.
She's lazy.
You painted it? If you know my actual car, this is clean.
Always there.
Morning. Guess who's driving the truck today? Who's driving the truck today? I am driving the truck today. Oh, it's such a mission getting into this thing. Oh, wow. I sim daka Nancy truck. I honestly feel like sometimes I forget how to drive this truck. Just lock the doors. Good petrol. Oh my god. And my guys, no, I hate it when the truck is like a mess. But oh, you know what? Do I get one of my guys? We are Tandwa, so we can offload the truck today, and then run an errand I was meant to run Izolo. I need to stick these in here. You know what? You know. Let's move. Jesus, yo. Why does he put my handbrake up like that? Oh my god. And my driver is shorter than I am, man. So whenever he drives, like, he moves the... What are these things? What do you call these things? The mirror is so wide out. Like, guys, why is this just sticking out like this? Oh my god. My guys really big. Like, they don't want to see anything. Doesn't that look proper? Oh, driving the truck, right? It causes me major, like, I forgot driving out because I'm jamming, I'm listening to music. And as soon as I got to the main roads and like at the robots, there's two cars and there's a girl on the other car side, and she's looking at me, and it dawned on me again, mana, oh crap, Ghanaian Elwando, you're driving this massive thing, and it also happens to have my name on the door. It is triggering, and it actually makes me very anxious to drive the truck. You always get the looks. From that day.
Yes.
I must stick this on here.
Yeah.
So that, you know what I find happens? Let's say silibele something.
Okay.
And silibele, singayiboni ukuthi silibele, masenze check.
Yeah.
Then 3 events from now, I'm thinking, guys, where's that thing?
Yeah.
Which thing? Abantu abasaya need to know, guys. Sayisebenzisa, I can go back to the book. Ngithi, when was the last time? Say, nah, sayishiya ku Annelise.
Okay.
So if they stay like this,
you know, you say.
Izolahleka. Now, I was so disappointed. Maybe you can tell me.
Okay.
Benicinga nizolo, guys, the way nishenga khona truck yam. The way you guys packed. Kulwa bani, what happened?
I mean, manje besebayithu, like, so umunye ufuna ukupaka indlela yakhe nomunye ufuna ukupaka yakhe, so that was according to Bob Jacob. We followed his instruction, the way we packed.
So Jacob uthema ngipaka ngenhloko upake ngalo.
Yeah. We were following instructions.
Mara, why would Babu Jacob unpakise ngola hlobo knowing full well ukuthi aniyanga ngola hlobo?
I wouldn't know, because we got complaining with one panga. The way backdrop boy told you corner peso.
Eh. I need to have a chat with Jacob. Do you have a license?
I have a learner's.
When are you getting your license?
Now, what is it? It's March, April. I am, because your expiry learner's no June, so I'm busy with it.
So when you say you are busy with it, don't you
My license.
P.
Yeah, driving school, let me try.
My learning lessons are?
It's 180 per day.
Yo, you need how many lessons?
I've done 2 already. I need like 3 because the experience is called. There's a car Jardine.
So. Oh, so you need 3.
Yeah, lessons. So it's only the last one left.
And then Kayogwenza, license Imalin?
It's 2.5.
Okay, I'll do what this one for you, ne?
Yeah.
I'll give you 500 when you go.
Okay.
Ne?
Yeah.
2.5 yakho.
Okay.
I would like you to work your way up to be a second driver.
Yeah.
So that if you Jacob Ageko,
I know
you can drive, even if by 2.
Yeah.
And for some reason he's handicapped or whatever that word is, you're able to drive.
That's what I was hoping.
And also on days like today, example,
yeah,
you ngakhwela taxi, uyofika endlini, uthathe truck, uze apha, do what you need to do, bring the truck back without me having to come to storage.
Okay. That will be easy with me.
Okay. But you have to give me proof.
Yeah.
Before I give you the money.
Yeah. Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So today all we're doing is we're gonna offload and then so Lula, so I can draw. I'm gonna give you guys cash. I'll give you Nimal gas buses.
Okay.
And then yeah, I want to be done by 12. I just want to offload and ask you guys more than offloading. I want to ask you guys what happened. Like I understand the anger. Like I looked at the truck and I was fuming. I was so shook. So ngathi yazi angizon phone tini. Ngifuna so. Ngicalele so.
Siyaxolisa ngiyaxolisela la.
Yaphulile. Oh my god. Wow, okay. You needed to break. Because yeah, key didn't want to open, so I needed to offload the truck. So I need to replace a lock, but that's not a problem. Good grief. Yabikho empty kamnandi. Kwashaya umoya. There is something about cleaning up that just gives me joy. The fact that the truck is offloaded, even though I'm not working this weekend, but just the fact that the truck is unloaded, it's clean, equipment are stored, we are ready to rumble should an event or when it's time for us to start working again. I'm done now. We're both done. I'm gonna go drop them off. Then I have my errands to run, and I need to just quickly confirm with Dole if we are still meeting today, and then we head home. Qabil.
When I leave, we need to Kazala the first 15 minutes.
Oh, Uzaikon? Okay. Let me work here while you do that. Is it not starting? You must mobilize the color. And then again, and then clutch and start. heading now to the back while I chill. He asked me to just wait a bit. Ufuno ihlambe truck, and guys, for me that is just like major, because if I'm paying everyone to do all these amazing things, the least people can do is just show initiative. Hence, I honestly feel like, you know what, if I can help him get his license, I will do it, because then it means it's one more driver that can drive the truck for me. So to see him just drive away like that is, yeah, it's a cute.
Pass our greetings to Lerato and tell her to say, tell her we say sorry, we are late.
Time is money.
What the time is money. Guys, I love you loads. Bye. I need to talk real stuff, real business stuff with Ulebo, ne? I mean, Ulebo, with Lerato. See you on the next live. Bye. Thank you, Bali. I'm actually eating her food, but that's collab. And Tabalu for chom.
Ako namhlakasi into engicelile mangifika la.
Oh,
So we can have cook-off machines, the candy floors. When you do kiddies, you must eat them and don't compromise. Diet.
that's if I had them. I don't have them.
Yes, when you remember last you said I'll tell one of the guys to do the Mickey Mouse whatever. It must be part of the package. It's one of the things that goes about.
Yimalini Lantuk. How much is it to buy a popcorn machine?
I don't know. I've never done any. I've never looked at
I'll actually check, yes. And nobody slash puppy machine, nobody lena in a level, nobody lay in
Yes,
one.
If you can own one of them, if you can have one of them, it's override. Yeah, I think the only thing I can to avoid, if she doesn't have enough form shot. Yes, and then cool, and she won't go from
I'm looking for. Hello, Sisi. How are you? You Porsche. Oh, Pilates to Porsche. And they are trying to buy cars, yes? Uba means my say, no, I maybe advertiser. Oh, at least one and then you the face wash and the toner. And the body could prove bana every time to serum. We call it in the get serum. Serious? Guys, we remain influenced by the girl pen, by the girl. We all know I've basically bought my whole life. Guys, oh, this here is my probably third favorite flower. Lena, it's called Lysianthus, this flower. So the car guard was telling me that they make them pay to be on the street. And I did not know they made them pay. Oh, I'm at Woolies. Shock of my life, I did not know. Really guys, imagine the poor people. I mean, they don't even make that much. Buy any 4 and pay for 3. So I'm gonna take potatoes, I'll take onions, I'll take sweet potatoes and tomatoes. Those are the things that we eat. Doesn't look like they've got tomatoes though. I need sugar. And then let's get some spices. And then I want garlic flakes. Oh my god. Oh, there we are. Chili flakes. And I've been wanting nutmeg. So I'm going to get nutmeg. I don't prepare before the veggies. I was not going to veg. I can't tell you. It will help me. Recycled paper. Hello. All right, how are you?
I'm fine. You speaking to Paul?
Hi, Paul.
I'm just taking a chance, man.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you could
For Sunday?
Yeah.
Where?
And
Only because that's like literally my neighborhood. I will say yes.
okay. Okay, but try saying how would I what should I do? Should I give you the number of kids and then you can give me
How many kids do you wanna do for? You set up your 10 kids. Is it at home or you have a venue?
It's at home. The garden's not that big, but I would have loved to have a jumping castle.
Okay, so it's basically just a jumping castle, a backdrop, and child seating, ne? Just you.
Okay.
What's your name?
Paul.
Okay, cool. Just drop me a WhatsApp to this number in about an hour or two. I will respond back to you. If there's something I don't understand, I'll call you, and then you can just talk and do, because we need to confirm everything today.
Okay, thank you so much. I'll do that.
Pleasure. Speak later, Yane.
Okay.
Bye. Hi guys, I'm doing booking for Sunday. Got to love them. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the next day, Friday, and I'm scrambling. Wants me to do like a grand 40th. Finally, after a week, finally managed to build a quote for her. But we're still struggling to get a venue. But we got one venue. Chances she's not gonna like it. But at least we have a price range with regards to a quote, which is what I really just wanted to give to her. Then there's a client who just paid me for a Sunday. Today's Friday. They just paid me now to do an event on Sunday. Now I'm scrambling, okay? But I'm like, don't scramble, no need, relax. It will come together. And yeah, I honestly thought I was gonna stay home today, but as things look, I may need to go out and start searching for stuff. But I'm not stressing, I'm not panicking. We move. I've got so many emails. I've got so many WhatsApps. There's an email. I don't know what's happening, but I do know what's happening, and I'll tell you in another video. There's just this huge influx of inquiries, and it's like, where have you people been all this time?